Hello everyone, my name is Mark Capata. I'm here to talk about oncogene. Now, what are oncogenes? Oncogenes are genes that can transform a cell into a tumor cell. We know that tumor cell can become cancerous. So now let's talk about what is cancer. Cancer applies to a group of diseases characterized by the development of abnormal cells that proliferate uncontrollably. These cells form malignant tumor that may infiltrate, damage, and destroy body tissue. However, we got two types of tumors. We got benign and we got malignant. Benign tumors are usually non life threatening and are not cancerous. However, malignant tumors are when the cell grows abnormally and breaks down the basement membrane that eventually invades neighboring tissue, which could also affect other body part called metastasis. Before oncogene, we have proto-oncogene. What is proto-oncogene? Proto-oncogenes are healthy genes found in cell. They are responsible for making a protein that are involved in cell growth, division, and other processes. However, proto-oncogene could turn to oncogene when there are error or mutation occurs, which could lead to cells growing out of control and become cancerous. Now, what are the functions of proto-oncogenes? The function of proto-oncogenes are there to help cell growth and differentiation. It is also involved in signal transduction, also known as cell signaling, for the transmission of molecular signals from a cell's exterior to exterior. There's also involvement in the execution of mitogenic signals, signals that act from the outside of the cell to induce mitosis and cell division. Now let's get into oncogene. Um, Oncogene, derived from a Greek word onco, means mass and bulk. So these are initially mutated genes that may lead to cause cancer. Oncogenes are product protein that have the capacity to stimulate growth and proliferation, which could turn a cell into a tumor cell. Now, how does proto-oncogene become oncogene? So there's three types of mechanism activation that could turn proto-oncogene to oncogene. So we got mutation, gene amplification, and chromosomal rearrangements. In gain of function mutation, the mutation results in permanently activated actin protein, where the genes will start to produce too much of the protein that codes for cell growth. Since it is permanently activated, cell grows uncontrollably, calling the process gain of function mutation, since the cell takes on a new purpose. In gene amplification, an increasing copy of number of a gene within the genome of cell leads to extra copies of gene and too much protein product. In chromosomal rearrangement, the gene is translocated to a new chromosomal site that leads to a higher expression. In summary, proto-oncogenes are genes that help cells grow and divide to make new cells and help cells stay alive. However, when proto-oncogenes become mutated, it becomes oncogene, a gene that continuously sends signals telling cells to grow and divide uncontrollably, which eventually create tumors. Oncogenes are activated from proto-oncogenes through three mechanisms of activations: point mutation, gene amplification, and chromosomal rearrangement. So oncogenes are genetic mutation that may cause cancer. Thank you.